Hi guys, so today we're going to be trying the Sprite challenge with Mountain Dew. 0 sugar.
Hopefully we don't end up like the other YouTubers.
Yeah, because they doesn't end well. they don't end well because they they become demons essentially, and their soul leaves their body and they're like, oh, basically. So open your bottles. Featuring my cousin, Oakley, and my sister, Natalie, and me. Not gonna say my name, because maybe do that in one video if I get enough subscribers. Okay, drink in 3, 2, 1. So we're trying not to burp. It's already really hard.
I'm just fine.
Another kitty.
I'm gonna...
Okay, let out your burps. In 3, 2, 1.
That's crazy. I don't even have any.
Why did it sound like that? Okay, let me drink more. Let me drink more. Let me drink more.
I drank my whole bottle and I'm not feeling anything. I need to fart really bad.
That was ew.
I need to fart.
She's farting back there, guys. She used her hands.
I farted. Dude, I'm not burping. Dude,
No, I'm done. I'm gonna throw up.
this Mountain Dew don't have anything on me. Dude, I didn't burp.
Why are
once.
you so weird?
I didn't burp. It smells so gross over
Nah,
here.
bro, no. I'm sorry. I'm done. I'm so done. This came out.